Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification, and that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making, so we're going to harvest the green seasonings from the garden and basically harvest whatever green seasoning you want to use. I use side, big leaf thyme, shadow benny, and tarragon. Okay, and that's what I have chopped up there. So now we have our pork chops washed and dried, and then I just eyeballed the following ingredients and added it. So I added sea salt, I added garlic powder, ground allspice, and freshly ground black pepper, olive oil. Okay, so I'm adding the green seasoning to it, and I'm adding the olive oil now. I did add the black pepper, the garlic powder, the allspice, the sea salt, and now I'm just gonna rub that in to kind of get the juices from the seasoning and the dry seasoning to, penetrate the meat. I also added at least 3 cloves of garlic, but I crushed it, as you can see here. And I also added some onions as well. Okay, so we want the juice of all these things. So I rubbed it in, massaged it in, and then I just left it to marinate for about half an hour. You can leave it for longer. Now we're going to prepare the dredge for the pork chops. So we're going to be using flour. And remember, this is a Parmesan crusted pork chop, so of course we need Parmesan cheese. So what you do is you mix the Parmesan cheese with the flour, and that's what I did there. And now you coat the pork chops with the flour and the Parmesan cheese. So you coat both sides, as you can see there. So we added some butter and some olive oil. I'm also adding some garlic in the olive oil as well, and butter. Remember, I combined the two, olive oil with butter. And then the garlic to sort of flavor the oil. And then we will put our pork chops in, and we cook our pork chops until they're nice, brown, crusty, and cooked inside. Of course, my pork chops are very thin. And there you have it.